Hey beauties, I am excited to be back with another Firmoo unboxing, and this time I've got two new pairs to share with you. Firmoo always comes through with stylish frames, as you know, and I can't wait to show you both of these. First up, let's look at these super cute red frames, blue light glasses. Not only do they protect my eyes from the screen glare, working at work with my admin job, I'm constantly staring at the blue light. But these right here, they are so protective, and they also add a pop of color and make them fun for everyday look. I've been looking for blue light glasses that don't just look like regular glasses, and these are perfect. They're very stylish, and red frames are in right now. These red frames make a screen time so much easier on the eyes, and I love how they bring stylish, professional touch to any work as an admin on any day, and even work from home if you want to be stylish at home. I'm just saying. And next, we have these chic sunglasses that are perfect for those bright California days, or if you're in Florida, those bright Florida days. They have such a sleek designer look, but without the high-end price, you know what I'm saying? But we all trying to save a buck right now. This is the Christmas season. I get it. And these are lightweight and they're comfortable. Honestly, I could wear these all day. These sunglasses bring all the style and sun protection that I need, whether I'm out running errands or just enjoying the sun. They've been my go-to for keeping my eyes safe while looking put together. And I don't know if you caught my previous Firmoo video, but my other sunglasses that are polarized, perfect for the high beams. They are so cute. I wanted to put these up there as well. Now, I am so happy with both pairs of these new Firmoo glasses, as well as my pair that I got a couple of months ago. Yeah, I love all three of them. If you're looking for something practical like blue light glasses, something stylish for the sun, they even have prescription glasses, and you could pick some really good frames. They have some really cute frames without that expensive price, you know what I'm saying? Well, Firmoo has so many options. And beauties, I have an exclusive code just for you. Use the code BeYOUtiful at checkout to get 50% off those frames, not the lenses, but definitely those cute frames. 50%, yes, you heard me right. Now just check out the link in the description to grab your own. And thank you to Firmoo for partnering with me again. I'm loving my new frames, and I can't wait to see which styles you all pick out. Thanks for watching, beauties. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to hit that notification bell to stay updated on more style finds, executive deals, and as you know, we're going to always give you tips on how to live a beautiful life, which is knowing who you are, loving who you are, and being who you are. As always, be blessed.